police took us. They took us in front of the BDO office, Lord, where the goons were waiting for us. It was not published in the media. Goons were waiting. The police took us in the van, dropped us in front of the office. Lord, we were mercilessly beaten in front of the BDO office. This is in Harwa. In Minakha, we were taken inside, beaten inside the BDO's room, confined inside a room in the BDO State Election Commission.
I understand, but then the presence of the state may be required.
My junior was
Who
here,
has
Lord.
been engaged? Inquire.
Right now he was here.
Who was there?
Let me show you, Lordship, the papers. Lord, I will inquire that. The candidates shall assembled at Bosirat police station and shall be escorted by the police to the place where they shall file their nominations. 4 candidates who are present in court shall go to the Hea Street police station. The Hea Street police station shall escort them, notwithstanding the jurisdictional issue, to the respective places where they shall file their nominations. The police station of the police district through which they shall cross shall render all necessary assistance to the officers of the Hea Street police station. The list of the candidates is mentioned in paragraph 7 of the writ petition, and any other may be so assisted. Now, my lord, after this order, my lord, 4 candidates were escorted from Hea Street police station, and my lord, all the candidates, they, my lord, left for Bosirat police station. My lord, on the way, I called up the SP Bosirat police district. He said that you go to the, instead of going to Bosirat police station, you go to the respective police stations where the block situates. Because 4 blocks are involved, as I told you, Lordship, Sandeshkhali 1, Sandeshkhali 2, Minakha, Nazat, Harwa, Nazat, and Minakha, 5. So, my lord, they asked me to go to Harwa police station for those candidates. But
So the 4 also could not file the nomination.
Nobody. Police, my lord, escorted us very safely and dropped us in front of the hooligans. Now, yesterday I lodged complaint, page 59.
Yes.
It is a matter of concern and regret that from the date of declaration of Panchayat election till 15 June, BJP candidates have faced obstructions, threats, criminal intimidation by ruling party, goons, hooligans who threatened BJP candidates and stopped them from filing their nominations. With reference to Honorable High Court,
Where is your application seeking extension of time for filing the nomination papers?
but
Did you
I am
file?
before your lordships today. Since
Right.
I could not file it, not the division bench said that Panchayat, not the election commission could do it. Yesterday, within the time I approached the Honorable Court for security so that I could go. With security, even I could not file. So today I am before your lordships, my lord. There were prevention and obstructions. Admittedly, I saw the rule. Now let me place this letter. My lord, this is very important. I'll be very precise. It is a matter of concern and regret that from the
Show how you were obstructed from filing the papers.
under such circumstances, last paragraph, I would like to request you to take immediate steps against the local leaders, goons, TMC who have committed such heinous crime, and so and so.
But
Lord, this was sent to Lord,
SP,
CS,
CM,
CS West
Yes.
Bengal, NIC, and ACC West Bengal. So, Lord, as well as the SP and police officers. Kindly see the next page. Lord, the photographs which has been given.
No, it is all right. But then regarding this portion, this court does not have jurisdiction.
No.
You
Lord, what
want your extension of time for
Yes.
filing the nomination
Because
papers.
on 2 grounds. One is the Honorable Division Bench as para 34 has said that the election commission in an appropriate state. And, my lord, this extension of today admittedly would not, my lord, alter the dates. There was a detailed argument before the Honorable the Division Bench of the Honorable the Chief Justice made by Mr. Saha's client. Mr. Mitra was reading Mr. Saha. It was said that, not I will show that portion, that the commission has agreed.
By the commission
No.
for extension.
Well, let the commission.
Because-
No, you have instructions, Bolu.
Your lordship,
Lord,
I will tell you, there was a
Lord,
specific case.
before they take over, can you take this
No,
order?
she is not taking over. I just wanted to know whether any decision has been taken for extension.
No, your lordship,
Not
I will
yet.
tell you.
No, I'll hear you.
Yes.
But then the answer is a no.
Only for a specific part. That is for Siksha Bandhus, which
Shiksha Bandhus,
Oh,
the
yes,
matter you
yes.
moved
I moved
yesterday.
before your lordship, but since
Yes.
it was not highlighted and the commission's order came to us very late in the evening, that was placed before appeal. The division bench was hearing and it said that since it was not much publicized, in peculiar circumstances, we are extending
Shiksha
the time.
Bandhus, well,
only Siksha-
otherwise,
No.
in general, no.
No.
Very well.
But
Yes.
take That is the order of Sikha Bandhu passed by the Honorable Division Bench.
Shikha Bandhu, I myself passed an order yesterday.
Then on that it was extended, PIL also recorded that.
Yes.
But kindly just take page 89 once. Page 89. Paragraph 20. But I say that the commission itself says it could be extended for a day. Number one. Number two, the court in paragraph 34 said you take a decision. Number three, within the time I approached your lordship's court gave me security of police. And the police could not make ensure that I could file nomination. So there is no fault on my part. It is the fault of the state to ensure law and order. So the State Election Commission should allow us to file nomination today, which will not disturb the schedule. We are waiting in front of the office of the sub-divisional officer, Bosirat, right? Sub-divisional officer Bosirat, where under section 46(2) an officer can be deputed. We are ready to file our nominations. We can file it within the time fixed by your lordships. So, and they will not be prejudiced as per para 28 and 30.
It has to be.
Yes, well, no, that submission was
How long
made.
does it take to file one nomination? Is it a long process?
No, my lord, I don't think, my lord. Will kindly permit, my lord, Mr. Senate.
As per
Kindly,
my
if our lordship have the permission
Yes.
to, it's 4 or 5 tables, your lordship. It doesn't take much of a time. The only thing is that if they go over there, and the election commission has many times ensured that if the candidates are there and if the queue is there, they attend to each and everybody. It's not this that they just refuse that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. If there will be a direction, we are following it. It's not this
Well,
in true spirits regime.
but everybody is following, but people are not being able to reach to the office. Sir, my instruction is there are 60 candidates who are waiting in our party office, which is opposite to the office of the SDO Bosirat. For 60 people, it will take at least 3 hours to complete the process.
And it is only one place where all these nominations will be filed.
Because under section 46(2), it is a sub-divisional officer, so I have asked them to go there.
Sub-divisional officer,
Sub-divisional
where
officer Bosirat.
so your men are standing over there.
Yes.
And the other political party men are also
But
there.
I don't know about them.
You don't know.
I have 60 candidates. How can I not know about
4
them?
o'clock sharp will meet here.
my lord.
One information to both my learned senior friend. The matter which I moved before just a month yesterday, there are 3 writ petitions. One was being moved by Mr. Bhattacharya. Lord, he mentioned the matter, it appeared today. His lordship, Lord, has called for a report from the highest authorities of the state as to what exactly happened in how his lordship's order was complied with. That is kept on Tuesday. So that's
Tuesday.
That's the information. But
Where-
this
where
issue
is
is not there. This
Your,
issue
your
is-
lordship has asked me to come back in this matter. I will
Yes, yes.
take it
this issue is not there.
at 2 o'clock sharp.
কোথায় গেল? Lord, I'm grateful that your lordship has given us this time. Lord, I'm grateful to us.
Had to. We are here to render justice, not for any other reason.
Absolutely. Lord, the Union of India lawyer, so that they could arrange CRPF security so that we can go and file nomination, because police failed to admit it despite the court's order.
And do you think that the CRPF is sitting over there idle?
Lord, there is a nearby BSF Lord, depot where from it can be arranged.
The petitioner claims to be the district president of Bharatiya Janata Party,
Division officer.
comma, Bosirhat district. Stop. Allegation of the petitioner is that the candidates of the Bharatiya Janata Party are facing resistance in filing their nominations for the upcoming Gram Panchayat elections in the state. Stop. Next. The petitioner approached this court